Tech channel. Hi friends! Now we are seeing Nisi Tech channel. In this video I am going to show you what is inside this cube, friends. In the previous video I said that I will show what is inside this cube. 3 into 3 cube. You can see the cube. Now I will open it, how to open and how to fix this cube to normal stage I will say. And if you don't see the previous video, I will give the link in description. So friends, you can see this was the cube. Now friends, you have to remove this lid. You can see this lid. You have to remove. Any two sides, you have to remove the lids and loosen the screws with this star screwdriver. Okay, I will see. Okay friends, you can see this was the screw, friends. This was the screw and a spring also there, friends. A spring, you can see. A spring and a screw. Like that is there. I kept it aside and I am removing another. You can see friends, this. You can see these are the cubics. One cubie. And I will remove another one also, friends. You can see friends, in this also one spring and one screw is there. I kept it aside and you can see friends, these are the cubies that I have got for this. You can see this is the main set, friends. You can see main set. You can see I will remove this. You can see this was the main set. This is the scrollings. You can see like this and like this. This is there. And now we have going to fit this cubies, friends. So let's start to fit this. Okay, these two are the lids. You keep it aside. Okay, these are the cubies that I have got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 cubies, friends. These are 20 cubies. You can see 20 cubies. These are. You can see this was the main cubie. Now we have going to fit this. You can see this is blue color now, friends. So take the blue and yellow. Blue and yellow combination. Like this you have to fit. You can see blue and yellow. Blue and yellow. Blue and yellow. Like that. And another cube is, friends. Another cube is white and blue. You can see here is there white and blue. White and blue. Like that we have to keep this. You can see blue 3 colors and yellow 2, white 2. And now we have to set the green and yellow, friends. Green and yellow. You can see yellow and green. Now we have to fit like this. You can see yellow 3, and green 2, blue 3 and white 2. Now we have to search for green and white, friends. You can see here it is green and white. So now I am going to fit it this. So you can see, friends, base is ready. White, green, yellow, blue, and here one step will come and here one step base, like that it will come. I will show you. So this was the base, keep it aside. Now we have to search for blue and red, friends. You can see blue and red, like that you have to keep. And now onwards we have to search for 3 colors, friends. Blue, white and red, friends. Search blue, white and red. You can see here it is blue, white and red. Now you can see friends, I kept it. You can see friends, I kept it red and blue and white. You can see, I will show you white, blue and red like this. And now we have to search for blue, yellow and red. You can see blue, yellow and red. Now I will keep in this. You can see, friends, the blue base is ready. You can see 2 lines and red and yellow and white, like that. And now we have to take the here, friends. You can see 2 colors like that. Now we have to take the red and white. You can see this is the red and white, like this you have to fit. Okay, friends, red and white. And now we have to fit green, white and red. You can see green, white and red. You can see. Now I will keep, friends. So see, friends, the white 2 layers are completed. You can see for white 2 layers are completed, friends, and blue 2 layers, and yellow we have to complete, and green we have to complete, and red also we have to complete the layers. Now let's see how to complete the layers. So next QB is, friends, green and red. You can see green and red, like this we have to put green and red. Now search for green, yellow, red. Green, yellow, red. Now keep it aside, like that. I kept it, friends. You can see. And now we have to fit the yellow and red combination. Okay, now I will keep it. To keep this, we have to remove one QB aside, and now we have to fit this. You can see I fit it wrongly, friends, so you can see like that. You can see like that and fit it here, friends. So you can see, friends, now we have to tighten the screw with this cap. You can see here in this some threading is there. We have to keep like this and add the screw with spring. You can see and tight it. You can see I titled. Okay friends, you can see 2 layers of blue, 2 layers of yellow, 2 layers of green, 2 layers of white, and 3, you can see 3 rows of red color, and I am fixing the lid for this. Okay, so friends, the half cube is completed. Now we have to complete the full part. You can see top part. So take the color friends. You can see I am starting from blue. You can see orange and blue combination. You can see orange and blue like this. You can see top orange and here blue. Like that you have to take the cubes. Now take the orange, white and blue combination friends. Now we have to keep it. So see friends. You can see friends, 2 cubes I kept and one white, 2 blue and 2 orange. You can see. And then you can see here search for this friends. You can see yellow, green and orange. You have to search for this cube and attach it. No friends, this is not. Now we have to attach the blue, orange and yellow. So you can see like that. The one row is completed, column like that, and 1 yellow, 1 white, 3 blue friends. Sorry, I tested. You can see like that. I fitted it again and search for yellow and orange. You can see. And now I am keep the orange and yellow like that. Yellow. Okay, you can see. And now we have to search for yellow, orange and green. You can see. Yellow, orange and green. Now we have to set it. You can see like that. And now we have to search for you can see orange and green like that. And now we have to search for, you can see this only last 2 cubes to finish this cube. Okay, you can see white and orange. See how I keep. You can see friends like that. And inside this last cube, you can see green, white and orange like that. You can see friends. Now we have to tight it with a screw. You can see their threading is there some, and we have to keep this lid. You can see here like this, and insert the spring with screw. You can see here like that. You have to insert it and tight it friends. You can see tight it and close the lid. So friends, the cube is finished. You can see. You can see the cube is finished. All colors. You can see white, blue, yellow, green, red, orange. You can see all colors are finished. You can see friends, we fitted this cube and removing this cube, and we fitted this cube. If in the previous video I said how to solve this cube with your phone in one app. I will give the link in description of that video. You can see and enjoy it. You can see the cube. It is working, friends. I removed and kept it like that. So please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. So bye friends.
That little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.